Are you looking to make your condo building safer, smarter, and more efficient? In this video, we'll explore 5 essential smart security features that every modern condo needs. First, Smart Access Control ensures only authorized people can enter the building using Face ID or fingerprint scanning. You get real-time notifications of entries, improving safety and efficiency during emergencies. Next, security robots patrol 24/7, detecting suspicious activity and providing live surveillance. They can even guide tenants to safety and contact emergency services when needed. For unit protection, smart unit security and maintenance systems detect break-ins, unusual activity, and maintenance issues like leaks. You'll receive instant alerts, making units safer and easier to maintain. Say goodbye to stolen packages with smart package delivery solutions. Secure lockers and delivery robots ensure packages are delivered safely and can only be retrieved by the right person. Finally, the Smart Security app gives you full control of your building's security from your phone. Monitor live feeds, grant access, and get maintenance alerts, all in one app. Want to know which smart solutions fit your building best? Take our free survey linked below and sign up for our webinar to get 15% off all SSB products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart building tips. Let's make condo living safer and smarter together.